Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up Claude Code with Ollama on your Visual Studio Code on your Mac operating system. So I'm going to show you how you can set up Claude Code, then how you can set up Ollama, and then I'm going to show you how you can set it up with Visual Studio Code. So let's see step by step how we can do it. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Claude Code, and one of the top links which will appear here will be from code.claude.com/docs. So I'm going to click on this link where you can see the getting started documentation of Claude Code, and when you scroll down a little you can see how you can install Claude Code for the terminal version or Visual Studio Code or desktop app, web app, and other options are also available here, right? So terminal option is this one, and you can see under terminal option this is the curl command which you can use to install Claude Code. So let me copy this curl command from here and let me open the terminal using the spotlight. Let me search for terminal and then open it. And then once the terminal is open, just paste this command and then press enter, which is going to start the installation of Claude Code. So you can see the installation has been started. At this point, I just need to wait for a few seconds. And now after a few seconds, I can see this message which says Claude Code successfully installed. And it also says native installation exists in this location. Run this command also to add it into your ZSHRC. So I'm going to run this command here. So just copy this command which is given here. So I'm going to copy this command and let me run this command and then press enter. And once I ran this command, this location is set in my ZSHRC, and I have already given this source also to reload all the environment variables. So now when I type Claude here and then press enter, it's going to open the Claude Code. You can see Claude Code starts. So here you can choose the mode, let's say light mode or dark mode here. And then once I select the mode, I can also select the subscription. So for now, I don't want to use any subscription because I want to use the Ollama models with the Claude Code. So at this point, I'm going to just press Ctrl C to come out of this Claude Code command line interface. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to install Ollama and then use Ollama with Claude Code. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Ollama, and the first link which will appear here will be from ollama.com. So let me click on this link, and on the home page itself I can see the simple command which I can copy to install Ollama on my Mac operating system. So I'm going to just click on this copy button and let me minimize this browser. And I'm going to go to my spotlight search and then search for terminal and just click on this terminal option. And once the terminal opens, just paste this command, which is curl -fssl, and the link to this shell script which can install Ollama on our Mac operating system. So just press enter here. And you can see it's downloading Ollama and then installing the Ollama. In between, it might ask you to provide your Mac's password which you use to log into your Mac operating system. So I'm going to give my password and then press enter, and it's going to move forward. And you can see it says it's starting Ollama and then installation complete. So you can now run Ollama. Also, I can see this app background activity. So Ollama can run in the background. You can manage background activity in login items and extensions. Now, once Ollama is installed, you can run Ollama commands and download the popular models using the command line itself. But you can also find this utility in your apps. So when you click on this apps section, you will see this Ollama icon, which you can click here, and it's going to open this kind of graphical user interface, right? And so you can see this graphical user interface for Ollama has been started. And here, first of all, you can select the models, So these are the models which are cloud-based models. You can see all these models are cloud-based models. But when you scroll down, you can see some models you can download locally and then use them. So all these models which have these download icons, you can download them locally on your Mac operating system. So I'm going to use one of these cloud models, let's say Minimax M2. Now, as soon as I select this model, I can see this kind of message which says I need to sign in to my Ollama accounts to use those cloud models or download the available models, right? So I'm going to click on this sign in button, which is going to open this sign in page for Ollama. I'm going to use my Google account to sign into the Ollama. And once I signed in with my Google account, you can see my account is created here. And here I'm going to just connect this device. So I'm going to click on connect here and it says device connected successfully. So once you have Ollama and Claude Code installed on your Mac operating system, let's open the Visual Studio Code, and here we are going to just go to the extensions and then search for the extension called Claude Code. And when you search for this extension, you can see this Claude Code extension is available. And here at the top, you can see it's from Anthropic. So it's the original extension from Claude Code. So I'm going to click on install and then click on trust and install, which is going to install this extension. And once Claude Code extension is installed, you can see this kind of option here. So I can click on this option, and here I will be able to see all these options. So for now, I don't want to sign in to the Claude Code with my subscription or the console. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open a folder in which I want to work with Claude Code. So let me just open some kind of folder. So I'm going to click on open folder, and then let's create some folder, for example test folder, and then let's create one and then open it. And then you can see this Claude Code icon is still available. So click on this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Ollama website. So just go to ollama.com and then click on the models section here. And when you search for some model here, so you can click on any model. For example, I want to use this Kimi K2.5 model. I can click on it. And then here you can see the command to launch this model with Claude Code and Ollama. So this is the command. I'm going to copy this command and then just minimize this browser. And I'm not going to click on any of these buttons. I'm going to click on this option which says Claude in terminal. So just click on Claude in terminal option here. And once I click on Claude in terminal, it's going to launch this kind of window here. So for now, I'm going to say yes, I trust this folder, and you can see it has opened the Sonnet 4.6, right, which I don't want to use. So I'm going to press Ctrl C here to come out of this terminal command, and then paste my command, which is Ollama launch Claude with the model, and then press enter. And now it has launched Kimi K2, which is the Ollama version, in this test folder. So now I can start working with this chat window in my Visual Studio Code. So I'm going to just write a very simple command, which is write a C++ program, compile and run it, and then press enter. And let's see if it can do this job within my test folder on my Visual Studio Code. So you can see in my test folder, this hello.cpp file has been created. So this is the hello world file. And in the command prompt, it's asking me, do you want to make the edit to hello.cpp? I'm going to press on yes option, and it's going to create this hello.cpp file, right? Once this file is created, it's going to build this file using this command, which is g++ and the file name and the executable file name. I will proceed with this command. So I'm going to select yes, proceed. So I'm going to proceed with this build, and it's going to build this command. And once this is built, it's going to ask me if I can move forward. So I'm going to just use the clang here, and it's going to install this. So now my binary has been created, which I can use to run my program. So from here I can just use hello and then press enter. It runs my program, right? So Claude Code is open. The code is created by Claude Code, and it's using the KMK2, and I'm working on Visual Studio Code, right? So this is how you can configure Claude Code with Ollama models on Visual Studio Code. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.